Hey everybody, today we have a special video. Yes, it's an unboxing video after a long time. I know you guys have seen my unboxing video of PS5, the Prime Hydration, and other products, but today we are unboxing none other than PSVR2. Hey. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now, live premiere. Let me do this. Okay. Let's see. I just sent this picture to a bunch of my friends and they're just messaging me. So, yeah, let's see. So, it needs a PS5 for sure. So, let's see what's your cutting edge performance, 4K HDR visuals, 110 field of view, advanced rendering, VR2 sense technology, thrilling new worlds. If you have a history of epilepsy or seizures, consult a doctor before use. Certain patterns may trigger seizures. Okay, that's good to know. Well, it comes with a Horizon Zero Dawn bundle. We're gonna tear the tape. I'm just gonna peel it off slowly. Might be. I'm just gonna pause the video. Well, couldn't break the seal. Couldn't peel it off, so I had to use the scissors. They've done a good job. Alright, got the seal open. Alright, I'm gonna show you this. Let me stretch the camera a little. I should give a better view of what I'm doing. Yes, sir. Here we go. Better unboxing experience. Okay, let me just slide that down. It opens. When I get this, get rid of this one now. Don't need it. Okay. Classic design, typical PS5 experience, wide, similar kind of aesthetic. Oh, looks like this seal has been tampered before. Interesting. Hopefully the package is good. Doesn't look good. Alright. Brand new. Ooh, smells good. Alright. Got the accessories. That is the full game. Digitally. Well, before we unbox it, I'm going to redeem this first. Alright, got Horizon downloading now in my system, so because it's gonna take 3 hours to download, so I just wanna make sure it's downloading. Anyway, go back to the video. Got that done. Got a USB-C type cable. We need that. Let me just adjust the camera angle a little bit. Okay. Alright. C-type cable. Got that. Got the headphone that's provided with the VR. Okay. I guess I'm gonna hold on to this for now. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna use my Pulse headset. Yeah. Better option. Got a beautifully placed manual. Yep, it's a colored manual, so really like that. Like it. I'm gonna need that. What else we got? Nothing here. That's it. Don't need it. Place it back as it is. I don't need it. Let's unbox the controllers. Beautifully placed. Okay. As usual, no tapes. Nothing. First time holding a controller. Nice. this one? Pretty good feeling. It's pretty easy. It's gonna take some muscle memory to do this, but so that is controller 1. I'm going to replace it the way it was. So just there it is. That's controller 1 for you, and the controller 2 is going to be the same thing. So yes, sir. Same thing. And here is the beauty, the beast himself. All right, what do you think? Let's see. That is the beauty. There it is in all its glory. PSVR in all its glory. Okay, I'm gonna just wear this. I don't know how this. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. So let me figure this out. But yeah, that's the unboxing. That's all we have for now. I'll let you know my review later.